How you doing? And thanks for watching. This is George with Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency strobe lighting and safety equipment for cars, vans, trucks, SUVs like this brand new 2020 Ford Expedition, as well as anything else that needs the equipment. This particular vehicle, getting a purple and white package, going locally here in southern Illinois to a funeral home. Purple is the choice for funeral home vehicles here in Illinois, and we've supplemented it with a little bit of white. This vehicle is featuring our LIN-6 light all over. We've got 4 in the front, 3 on each side, and 4 in the rear. The vehicle also features our Carson Defender siren set up as air horn only. I know it is listed as a siren, but it includes the electronic air horn, and you can set it up as an air horn only and not use any of the siren tones in a particular instance like this. That air horn is very useful for clearing traffic. We went with a slightly aggressive split pattern on the front because this is our primary traffic moving vehicle. This is going to lead the procession. So in the grille there, we've split fired the white and the purple. And what I'll do is I'll turn the ISO down real low for you here, and you can kind of see the color there in the grille and what's going on. And then we'll raise it back up to a normal level there. On the running boards, we've done a purple forward and rear, and alternately fired that with the white in the center. Here's a little better side shot for you. Now you can see how much movement you really have in the front end of that grille assembly there. Here's a shot of just the running boards from above, looking downward angle. The LIN-6 lens does a tremendous job of spreading that light out 180 degrees, so you really do see the running boards from the forward all the way back of the vehicle as it goes by. Around the back here, we've hung 4 of our LIN-6 right underneath the Expedition placard. We made an in-house bracket to hold those lights in place, front and back, and on the running boards, we were able to drill through the top plastic and just surface mount them. Here you can see a little better angle of those lights. And just for fun, I'll turn the ISO down one more. And of course, as always, the wiring is in through the hatch and then passes through the factory boot into the vehicle. There's no hanging wires, no obstructions in the hatch area at all. For our controls, we went right here underneath the HVAC and put in our nice red full illumination rocker switch for our activation. We put in a little red push button right here for the air horn. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Be sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and we'll check the links in the description of this video for all of these products so you can check out your own vehicle and get it built. Thanks again for watching.